Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about insurance. What is meant by insurance? Insurance is a contract represented by a policy in which an individual or entity receives financial protection or reimbursement against losses from an insurance company. The company pools clients' risks to make payments more affordable for the insured. Just company insure their clients for their losses. Types of insurance include auto, health, homeowners, and life insurance. These companies just insure their clients for their auto if happen auto losses, automobile loss, for example accidents, health loss, homeowner home losses. In these circumstances, a company insures their clients for their security. Thanks. We will talk about these uh, insurance videos later in later videos.